Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily add FAQ to your Shopify website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Asite. Asite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is FAQ. So let's click sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you which one you choose. And when you're going to do it, click login. Now right here, you're going to have applications and you want to write in the search FAQ, right? And you're going to see here FAQ. Let's create a widget. Now you can go with the search in FAQ, accordion, simple. I would go maybe with this search. Look at this, it's really great. Continue with template. Now you got question categories that you can like change. Then you have layout here. And you can edit every single question with the answer. Live, right? This is the way. And now when you got it, you can also change the style and advanced. Let's click save. And right when you do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise version. Now let's copy the code here. And what you want to do is just simply add a section. Now add here custom content. Select. You can simply delete the content here. It's like pre-created. Add a content, custom HTML and paste the code. And change the container width to 100%. And voila, what is the meaning of life? This is the way, right? And this is how you can simply add FAQ to your Shopify website. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.